Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. North Street is a key roadway in Baton Rouge that connects downtown with historic neighborhoods and commercial areas. The street has long served as a corridor for local traffic and small businesses, helping residents navigate between residential communities and the city's central districts. Many of the buildings along North Street date back to the early 20th century, showing a mix of historic homes, shops, and service buildings. Today, North Street provides a glimpse of Baton Rouge's everyday life, with local businesses, schools, and community spaces contributing to a vibrant and active neighborhood atmosphere.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!